I'm April Birch. I'm the founder of Cooking Autism. I grew up in the kitchen with my mom and one out of 7 children, so meals became a big part of the day. My mother showed us from a very young age how to cook. With cooking, there's a lot involved. There's a timing aspect of everything. There's a lot of chopping, a lot of smelling, a lot of tasting. It's exciting and wonderful, but for children on the autism spectrum, it can be extremely overwhelming because there is a lot of sensory anxiety that comes with it. Through Cooking Autism, we have an educational program that helps to build self-confidence with our special needs children. Oftentimes, special needs children have a harder time picking up life skills, but we focus in on manners and socialization and fine motor skills, sequencing, following directions, things that really help build confidence so that when a student leaves, they are more prepared for the real world.